Let's hope I don't get lipstick on my teeth. Hello, welcome back to my corner of the internet. As you guys can see from the title, today we are updating the whole collection project pan. This is where I roll in 5 items for 5 uses for the month. So I have my 5 products here. So if you're interested to see what we are rolling out and rolling back in, stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I have 5 products here. One of them, we'll talk about this in a second. As you guys know, this is a prompt-based project pan. It is a rolling style, so I don't remember exactly what the prompts were, but you can kind of get an idea with what the products that I pulled out. So first off, I brought in this ColourPop Darling Blush. This is a cream blush. This is so beautiful. I do want to at some point pan this. This is my oldest cream blush in my whole entire collection, and it's still working fine. It's still beautiful. I use it 5 times. It's just gorgeous. It was not a chore or a drag to reach for, which makes me realize that I do want to pan it at some point. I don't know if this would work for me in the wintertime, but definitely during the spring, summer. So I might consider it for next year. Then we brought in Hard Candy Scarlet Bliss Gloss. I used this more than 5 times, and I accidentally put this in another project pan that you may have saw this week. So anyway, it was rolling out anyway, so it's not a big deal. But yeah, this is in a different project pan, but I did get more than 5 uses out of that sucker. Then we had the Patrick Ta Duo in Do You Know Who I Am, which is this one right here. This is one of those ones that's a little bit harder for me to use because of this like yellowy orange. I'm not a big fan of it, but I did find really good use out of both these. You guys can see that the emblem was kind of more rubbed off. I use this quite a bit, and it helped me out tremendously with a lot of looks that were lackluster, or I just needed a little bit of pizzazz. I'm finding that I'm really enjoying my mainstream glitter toppers over any of the indie brand ones. I just feel like the indie brand ones are really in your face, but these tend to be more like my speed for every day or for work appropriate, at least for me and where I have to go. I feel like those are a little bit better, so it's becoming easier for me to reach for those more often. I restrained myself from reaching for one today because I really wanted to add some, but I said, nope, let's do a bold lip instead. So that's why you don't see it on my eyes, but I really did enjoy that a lot. Then we had the Hourglass Scattered Eyes in Ray. This surprised the crap out of me. This is absolutely stunning on the eyes. Wow. I forgot how much I love these and these kind of products. These pressed glitter pigments are stunning. If you grab a soft, fluffy brush and just put it all over your eyelids, it gives you this ethereal, beautiful color, not too much of a colored base, but enough to give you some sort of color, and then the glisten on it, and then it doesn't fall all over your eyes. So beautiful. I forgot how much I love these, and it just reminded me to pull these out more often. For those one and done shadows, for those quick, easy makeup looks, these are so beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So I really, really fell in love with that product. And then the last product I brought in, I'm assuming it was like a liquid eyeshadow of some sort, glitter eyeshadow, was this e.l.f. one in Copper Pop. I had mentioned in another video, I can't remember which one, I tend to not buy any more of these liquid eyeshadows solely for the mere purpose that they don't last long. You're spending money on these, but they don't last long. So I went to try this on, and it's dried out. I did get one use out of it, and I regretted it. My eyeshadow looked horrible, and then I had glitter fall out everywhere because this was dry. So the glitters didn't adhere to my eyelids. They fell everywhere. This I cannot get any more. As you can see, like, it is super dry. Even on the actual wand, it's super dry. So this is actually a declutter or an empty. I don't know, however you're going to put it. But I did want to let you guys know that I only got one use out of it, and this is coming out of my collection because I can no longer use that, and I don't care to revive it. It's very, I can tell you which brands I have left in my collection. Some of them have been PR, some of them have been gifts. I just don't buy those. I don't buy them anymore. I'd rather do a cream kind of product or a squeezy tube. They last so much longer than those doe foot ones. So that one is actually leaving my collection and will no longer be part of this crew because it just did not work well. All right, so here is our wheel of our next 5 products. So let's see which one's the first one. Ooh, an eyeshadow quint. Okay, that's a first. See the second one. I promise I'm going to pick a different lip gloss. I'm not picking the scarlet one again. Let's see, number 3. A cream glitter eyeshadow. I'm trying to think what I would want. 4. Eyeshadow duo, very eyeshadow heavy. And the last one. A single shadow. Okay, I can do this. All right, let me go look at all my products and then I'll be right back to share with you guys which products we are going to be using this month. Okay, you guys. So I have my products here. I debated on a few things. All right, so first one is the eyeshadow quint. This one, I decided to choose this Becca one. Now, I kept going back and forth, but I have been choosing a lot of Natasha Denona quints. So I wanted to give this one a go. It's all matte, so I think it'll work out best because it'll be easy to just reach for. So this is the one I'm bringing in. As far as lip gloss, I'm going to bring in this little tiny one. These little tiny ones pack a punch, let me tell you. This is Rare Beauty's Glimmer lip gloss. It's really pretty. If you ever get any of the Rare Beauty samples, you get a lot of product. This is the second one I've gotten of some sort of formula from them, and it takes forever for me to use. Then cream glitter eyeshadow. Perfect time to bring one of these in. This is the Sydney Grace cream glitter eyeshadow in Starstruck. This one definitely has glitter. Some of them don't. The newer ones that they've come out with do, and this is one of my favorite ones. So it's a really pretty, like, soft gold, as you can see it right there through the window. So I'm gonna bring that one in. Then we have an eyeshadow duo, which I'm bringing an old school one. This is a NARS duo. I wish they make these more. This is Isolde. I'm so happy that I bought this before it like completely was gone. This is a beautiful one for the summertime, and I think it'll be easy for me to reach for. So I am bringing this one in. And then last but not least was a single eyeshadow. And I thought long and hard, what do I want to bring in? And this will be perfect because I have to consider all these products have to transition in nicely into the fall. So I'm bringing in MAC, what is this? Amorous Alloy. This is a beautiful, mine's popped out as you guys can see. So this is why I'm holding it. But this one is a beautiful extra dimension shadow that is like a one and done, or I can add it to things. It's a beautiful shade, and it's a beautiful summer as well as fall shade. So I'm so sad to say the word fall. I love fall, don't get me wrong. It's just I don't want summer to end. All right, you guys, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys had a wonderful summer. This is it. I believe this is my last video of August, and then we are in September, you guys. Yeah, there's a lot going on starting in September, so I'll catch you guys all up on it. But thank you guys so much for watching. May God bless you always. I will catch you guys in the next video.